Hello everyone, my name is Bill Flanagan. I'm a data management GIS solutions provider, independent consultant. This is my LinkedIn information. Um, I really, let's see, my contact info, my LinkedIn info, my phone, and my email. Notice the Bill Z person meaning I'm really trying to, not a computer, not a corporation, but really focused on this concept of personalizing by simplification. And really taking these concepts of data management and data analytics or data analysis and simplifying them through teaching and training and consulting. But today I'm going to work with a product called Alteryx, and I'm going to just talk a little bit about fuzzy matching and the concept of creating a key. And we think of a key maybe as the same similar thing as a segment, a group, a bucket, that sort of thing. So let's take a look real quick at Alteryx. We have coming in simple 4 records: William, Bill, Billy, and Joe Flanagan. We assign a record ID. We're going to need a record ID to keep track of the matching and to be able to bring them and show results of our matching. We take a look at the name. We have a name field coming in, and what I want to do is just quickly look and say, given this is Alteryx, Alteryx has the already built in some templates or already pre-configured match styles, and these are most common things that are being matched. So you can take a look at one. We're going to look at name with names, and if I go to the edit function, that's going to show me the actual configuration, and it gives me the ability to edit that and to configure it specifically or to tweak it specifically for the type of matching, a little bit type of matching for the specific to my input data. But what I want to look at today is, what we'll look at in the future is if you look at this math function, everything below this is really what the heart, what I call the heart and soul of matching. And that's where we're using the algorithms to do the actual matching and comparing and then determining whether or not what those scoring and then determining whether those scores fall within the thresholds and determining whether or not we have what we consider a good match based on the fuzzy matching algorithm. But what we'll talk about today is above this line, and that's the actual getting the data ready for the fuzzy matching function. And the first part of it is it's this concept. You can see we have the pre-processors. They have some built-in pre-processing, strip punctuation, but really all of this pre-processing should really happen up front. It should happen well in your own data processing flow. You understand your data, you understand some of the unique things about it, some of the things that you need to standardize, clean up, parse, get ready to come into the actual fuzzy match machine. The key generation is, think about a key as I'm going to take this name, William Flanagan, Bill Flanagan, and what I want to do, generate a key, a bucket, so that I have something, a universe, a bucket of records that are similar based on this key, so that to use these matching functions below and determine whether or not we have a good match. So for example, and we're using a double megaphone. Double megaphone, if we is a, if we look at the, it's a standard algorithm, phonetic algorithm, and it's going to break apart a word based on these rules into some set of symbols or letters, and then we're going to be able to use that inside of Alteryx to build our group, and then using that group, we're going to be able to, within the group, perform the matching function. So taking a look at our first example, we're using the default name, inputting the name. Also important to note here that we're telling it to generate a key for each word. So we're going to create a symbol not for Bill Flanagan, but for Bill and for Flanagan. So 2 separate keys. So that's going to be nice in the sense that they're going to be creating a bucket for Flanagan's, and in the Flanagan's bucket there'll be a Bill and a William, and given that bucket exists, we'll be able to use the match function here and the nicknames to associate that match. Looking at the results, you can see, yes, we under Flanagan, we did get some matching here. If we use the paired group, or make group, sorry, bring it together, make group's going to do this thing like 1 to 2, 2 to 3, then therefore 1 equals 3, organize all of our match IDs into a nice unique set. And here we have a group 1 is William, William to William, William to Bill, William to Billy, and of course Joe doesn't match.